Hello, learners. Today we will unlock the secrets of present tenses. Believe me, after watching this video, you'll never be confused again. English grammar mein present tense. Hemry Rasmir Kai Zengi Kw Bin Kiert Hai. Yichur H Studien Min T Tiksim Hai. Let's explore them one by one with easy examples. First, present indefinite or simple present. We use it for daily habits, facts, and routines. I go to school every day. The sun rises in the east. Next, present continuous. We use present continuous for actions happening now. I am reading a book. She is cooking in the kitchen. Now, present perfect. Present perfect shows completed actions that have relevance to the present. I have finished my homework. They have visited Lahore. Finally, present perfect continuous. This tense shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing. I have been studying English for 2 hours. She has been working here since 2020. Let's revise quickly. Simple present equals daily habits. I play. Present continuous equals happening now. I am playing. Present perfect equals completed actions. I have played. Present perfect continuous equals action from past till now. I have been playing. So now you can speak confidently about the present tenses. Practice these daily and English will become super easy for you.